How to stop people from adding you to groups on Snapchat. Now, the very first thing that you'll have to do first for you to be able to see that option is, of course, make sure that your Snapchat is updated to the latest version. And just head over to your Google Play Store and then just look for the Snapchat application. And you should be able to know if your Snapchat needs an updating because there is going to be update button visible. So just simply tap on that and it will automatically update by itself. Next thing you do is, of course, access Snapchat and make sure that you have successfully logged into your account. Now, once you have accessed it, just head over to your profile. It's going to be located at the top left portion of your screen, which your avatar is showing. Once you're here, just simply tap on the gear icon, which will take you out to the settings. Then here, scroll down till you find privacy and control. Now, there are two things that you can do for you to be able to go ahead and stop people from adding you to group chats on Snapchat. First things first is head over to See Me and Find Friends. So tap on that and make sure that this is currently off. The other thing that you can do still under your privacy control is to look for See Me and Quick Add, and you'll just have to turn it off. And that's it. That's how you stop people from adding you to groups on Snapchat.